Hello, King Eze, also known as Mr. Cut the Check. Go ahead and share this with 10 people that you want to see win big this year, and make sure that you like and you are subscribed. So, I wanted to make this video for the brand new person that wants to get into, trading options. You just got familiar with this particular app or whatever app that looks like from a binary options standpoint. And you're like, what is binary options? So it was important to make a very simple video to explain all binary options is. So binary options is a form of day trading similar to trading in the Forex market, similar to trading in the stock market, etc. Like as you see on the screen right now, we have the ability to trade Apple OTC at this particular time. So with binary options, you are simply predicting if price will be above or below whatever price point that you pick at whatever time frame that you pick. So with different forms of trading, the way that you make money, like with Forex, you make money based on, pips moving in the market, but what we have here is you simply make money by your prediction being correct from an above or below standpoint. So here's what I mean by that. So I'm taking a look at the chart right now, and there's two buttons. There's a green button and there's a red button. So if I press the red button right now at this price point right now, that's basically telling the broker, hey, listen, I'm putting in my quote bet. I'm putting in my prediction saying that price would be below in this time frame, right? Like, let me give you an example. Let's go ahead and press sell. So I just told the broker I believe that price is going to be below, let's see, 1.69.722 in the next minute. So let's take a look and see if I was right. Let's see. And we were right. So what takes place as far as the profit standpoint, when on the bottom you see how the trade amount said $1, but the payout is 90%. So $1.90. So basically what took place was I risked $1, got my dollar back, plus that 90 cents in profit. And of course, those numbers will change as your trade amount changes. So at a 90% payout, for example, $50 traded, right? You would have made $95 total. They would have sent you your 50 right back. You would have been $45 in profit. So it's literally that simple. And like I said, you are looking at stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, as well as commodities as well. All the different stocks that you have the ability to trade, all the different commodities as well as currencies as well. This particular broker offers the ability to trade OTC, so that allows you to be able to trade on the weekends and stuff along those lines. But it's literally that simple. It's literally that simple, right? So I'll talk about why I can get really excited about trading this with a different mindset. So the next video is going to be the pocket option trading / gamblers mindset. Go ahead and share this with 10 people that you want to see win big this year. Let's get it.